4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 2y. This is W. Now for what if I raise omega square, omega cube and so on, where I am going to get real number? That is my answer. So can I find omega square? What is omega square or W square? 2 square. 4 minus 2y whole square. Minus 4 minus 8i. That is the answer is how much? Minus 8i. So once again if I multiply, definitely I am not going to get pure real number. But from here if I square, what happens now? What is W power 4? Minus 8 whole square. 64 into minus 1. So is it real number or not? That means the answer is what? Over. Check the answer. 4 correct or not? Very good. So how simple program is it from basics? There is nothing much you should know about complex number thing. What is sufficient? If you know, taking z is equal to x plus iy, oh. That's all. Right. Very easy problem. Asked in JEE. Actually, JEE means problems are very easy. You people are only making it's nonsense. The result was very, very bad. Everyone got 10 marks, 12 marks like that. But few students got 50s, 60s in maths. So they will definitely, their percentile is 99.9, no doubt. What's I them? 45 enough out of 100. Next one, please. Copy this and get next. Once I get enough now, then ask me. No doubt, sir. 30? Yes, just now. Copy. Okay, any doubt? Online, any doubts, sir? No, sir. If you have doubts, you can respond. Okay, no issue.
30 seconds, sir.
30 seconds, yes. First 30 seconds. Next, I'll go to 30 seconds. Next, one doubt asked here, 35 first, next 30 second. See my next problem, 35. All the points in the set, all the points in the set S is equal to alpha plus I by alpha minus I, where alpha belongs to real number. This is the set given, where I is equal to root minus 1 lie on a point. So straight line, circle, circle, straight line. These are the options given. So how to understand this one? Alpha is what? Real number. That means how to find locus? How to find this locus? First I will consider alpha plus I by alpha minus I. Can I multiply with alpha plus I by alpha plus I? What is numerator? Alpha square minus 1 plus 2I alpha divided by denominator alpha square minus 1 or plus 1. Minus I square, that means plus 1 only, no? Please say so. Now I want locus. So if I write this one as a complex number, alpha square minus 1 by alpha square plus 1 plus I into 2 alpha by alpha square plus 1. This is a complex number. I want its locus. So can I fill it as x comma y? Okay. So therefore, what is extra? Alpha square minus 1 by alpha square plus 1. What is y? 2 alpha by alpha square. Now, who is outside alpha? So how to say goodbye to him? See, you know basic relation. Alpha square, denominator plus 1 always. Alpha square plus 1 whole square is equal to how much? Alpha square minus 1 whole square plus. Correct or not? Oh, yes. No answer. Everything is there. So what is alpha square means? What I am doing is I take here x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? Alpha square minus 1 whole square by alpha square plus 1 whole square plus 4 alpha square by alpha square plus 1 whole square. What is this? Right, denominator same from this identity, you can directly write answer, no? So x square plus y square equal to 1 means what? A circle whose radius is equal to? Or answer. How good? How easy? What is the LCM, right? Okay. So what is numerator? Minus 1 whole square plus. From this identity, in place of this, can I write this? From this identity, in place of this, can I write this? So how much? Alpha square plus 1 whole square by alpha square plus 1 whole square. How much? Right. Complete notes, sir. Practice when you call. Checking out. Doubts. And then you know. Have you started calling?
Sir,
Any doubt there? Saturday. Saturday class I will signal. Monday. Yeah, tell me, ma. Online.
sir, 41.
Okay, okay. First 32. This one copied, no? 32. Let Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i. Z2 is equal to 3 plus 4i. The set S is equal to all complex numbers such that mod Z minus Z1 square minus mod Z minus Z2 square is equal to mod Z1 minus Z2 the square. Represents what? This one we didn't know this model. If Z1 and Z2 already given, what is Z1 minus Z2 ma? 2 minus 3, 3 minus 4. Say yes or no. So what is mod Z1 minus Z2? Root 2. What is its square? 2. That means the question can I write like this? Mod Z minus Z1 square minus mod Z minus Z2 square. Can I write it as 2? Okay. Now let us write Z is equal to x plus iy. So x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i mod square minus x plus iy minus 3 minus 4i mod square is equal to 2. Okay. So can you anyone say what is the this complex number square mod? X minus 2. Excellent. minus x minus 3 whole square minus or plus or modulus always plus, no, so minus. Here whatever it is we will write plus only, no, minus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 2. Done. Now for these two things, can I apply a square minus b square? What is a square? A plus b, 2x minus 5. What is a minus b, ma? Minus 2 plus 3. 1. Understood or not? Plus, for these two things, apply same. 2y, add them, right? 2y minus 7, subtract, ma? 1. 1 is equal to 2. So therefore, it is nothing but 2x plus 2y minus 5 minus 7. Minus 12 goes that side. 14. So the locus is x plus y equal to 7 in straight line. So two options are there with straight line. So they have given sum of its coordinate intercepts on coordinate axis. What is the sum of coordinates of axis? When x is 0, what is y? When y is 0, what is x? So what are the sum of intercepts? That's the answer. Over. Right. Online understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Right up. All these are JEE asked problems. How simple, see. Next. Who asked 40 was the next one?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Your daughter? 31. This model I said no. 1 plus 9 equals 9. Okay, because this is very important. This year also they ask. It changes, but model is. Next. Copy. Hey, are you feeling people? Any few of them of you are feeling difficult this one? Nothing is there. Huh? Okay, 41. Area of polygon. Area of polygon. Whose vertices are roots of. Whose vertices are roots of z bar is equal to I z square. That's it. Z bar is equal to I z. These are the roots. Okay. So let us see what kind of polygon it is. So we have to solve. Again, same logic. Z is equal to x plus I by r. What is z square then? X square minus y square plus 2y xy. What is z bar, ma? Substitute back. X minus iy is equal to x square minus y square plus 2i(xy). So two complex numbers are equal. Means what? Their real parts are equal as well as their imaginary parts are equal. I z square. Huh? Okay. Thank you. I z square. Okay. Even though it is complex number only, two complex numbers are equal means what? Their real parts are equal as well as. So here what are the real parts, ma? X is equal to minus 2xy because I multiply to this. And this must be true and that must be true. And I coefficient minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Now let us solve this. For this, can I take x common and 1 plus 2y equal to 0? That means either x is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So two cases happened. So case 1. When x is equal to 0, what happens to this equation? Minus y equal to minus y square. That implies y is equal to 0 or 1. Please say so. Okay. Case 2. Case 2. When y is equal to minus half, how the equation transforms? Y is minus 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 equal to x square minus 1 by 4. So this implies x square is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Can I write this one as 2 by 4? That means 3 by 4. So what is x values done? Plus or minus? Done. Over. So we solve the given equation. Now let us find the points. What are the answers? When x is 0, y is what? 0. When x is 0, y is what? 1. When x is root 3 by 2, what is y? Minus 1 by 2. When x is minus root 3 by 2, what is y? Minus 1 by 2. So I got this as the polygon. I don't know whether it is a parallelogram or rectangle, I don't know. But these are the four vertices. Now we have to find area of this. Okay. So what method you want to? Can I draw exactly on the, can I plot them on coordinate axis or casual? You decide. Casual, huh? For casual means, see, take any, whatever the quadrilateral, 0, 0, 0, 1, root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, like this. Okay. Now you join these two. So this area is nothing but this triangle plus this triangle only. So what is first triangle area? Half, determinant 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1, plus, always make sure you divide such that origin comes in both, so that your calculation is easy. Half 0, 0, 1, minus root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1, root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1, over. This is your answer. So first one half into, this one anyway gone, 0 gone, minus root 3 by 2, plus half into, this one gone, so 1 into, these two multiplication run, root 3 by 4, minus of minus, plus root 3 by 4. This will be your answer. Root 3 by 4 plus 2 times root 3 by 4, how much? With half. So root 3 by 4 again. So the answer is root 3 by 2. Check, this option is there. Root 3 by 2. No? Check. This one at the way. Order. See, x is 0 means this cannot be possible. Achha, these points are not in order. Sure? Huh? That's the problem. Huh? Then put on a graph paper. That is that diagram we don't want. What is the problem here? So these 2 points means if this point comes here, this point goes there, answer is different. Huh? Obviously, no. Different only, no. Array, here these things are going to change. Okay, so better we shift to drawing normally. Okay. Right. So let's take the graph paper. That is better. 0, 0 here. 0, 1 here. Next up, x positive, y negative. Fourth quadrant, huh? So root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 here. Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Next, x negative, y negative. Oh, so much thing happened. Minus root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is actually not any kind of normal diagram. This is the polygon. What a polygon. Wonderful polygon. This is the polygon. Okay, that's why we got BN. Clear, huh? Now how I can start? Now I have the idea. These three one side, these three other side, right? So tell me once again area please. Half, no, these three first. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1. Minus root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 1. Plus another area. Half this part. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1. Root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 1. That's it. So answer finally 1 by 2 into this one gone. So this becomes root 3 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 into this one, the root 3 by 2. Alright, same answer I got, right? Root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 I got. Where, man?
Yes, good.
Y is equal to minus 1 by 2. What?
Yes, plus equal is equal to minus 1 by 2. X square minus 1 by plus 1 by 2. Yes, plus
Minus y means plus 1 by 2.
by 2 x square.
Minus y square means minus 1 by 4. X square minus is minus, y square is 1 by 4. So x square is equal to 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Correct. No doubt in this. Hey, root 3 by 2 is the answer, right? How much you get?
3 root 3 by 2.
3 root 3 by 4.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me, ma.
sir,
Tell
it
me.
is given in the question vertices should be non-real roots. When 0, 0 comes, we will get real root, no, sir. 0
They
plus 0.
said non-real roots, huh? My bad. So I have not read the question properly. That means this 0, 0 should be not there in the picture. Are you understanding? So now I have to take only these 3 points. Hey, I have not read the question properly, right? Now okay. There is no problem in solving. So now only one triangle. So only one triangle. So this triangle area you can get easily. Yes, please. Points. First one was 0. 1, 1. Next one. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 1. Minus root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 1. Okay. Now let us expand this. Half into 0 into no use. Minus 1 into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 into these two multiplication. Minus root 3 by 4. Minus of plus minus root 3 by 4. So final answer is 1 by 2 minus root 3 minus root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 only, no? Okay. So 1 by 2 into, can I make it plus the both because anyway modulus. So root 3 if I take outside, how much my inside? 1 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2. So the answer is 3 root 3 by 4. There is no problem in solving. Question. I have not read properly. Okay, now Saifuddin. Understood or not? Copy. Right now. What's the one? We are not read questions. We are not seen properly. That's it. By solving any difficulty.
Sir.
Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, 54, sir.
Yeah, I'm ready. Right faster. You just need to understanding that or any difficulty. Sure. So some copy na? Naresh, over now. Next 54. The least value of mod z. I'll keep book this with me, okay? Because exactly wordings are important. Least value of mod z, where z is complex number, which satisfy exponential of mod z plus 3 into mod z minus 1 by mod of mod z plus 1 log 2 to the base e greater than or equal to log of mod of 5 root 7 plus 9i with base root 2. That's it. So I want what is the complex number satisfying this inequality? For that, I want least value of mod z. Right? Very big, no? What is the meaning of exp? Exponential of. So when these two are multiplied like this, can I bring this fellow to power of 2? Okay. So e to the power log 2 power mod z plus 3 into mod z minus 1 divided by modulus of mod z plus 1 with base e. Says or no? All of you understand this step or not? Okay. This one is greater than or equal to log modulus of 5 root 7 plus 9i with base root 2. So when this e and this e matches, what happens? This entire thing will come out. So this is 2 to the power mod z plus 3 into mod z minus 1 by modulus of mod z plus 1 greater than or equal to log this root 2. How I can write now? 2 power 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 comes outside as 2. This 2 can I give to this fellow? So this becomes log 5 root 7 plus 9i whole square to the base 2. Are you understanding this? Now how to solve this one? How to solve this one? Can we write this one as 2 powers, right? There is something wrong again. Exponential. What is this? I don't want to see logarithm there. It is looking like once let me write e to the power some alpha log 2 greater than or equal to log some beta root 2. So this one can we see? What is e to the power alpha log 2? 2 power alpha? Say sir, no. So this one is 2 to the power alpha, no doubt. 2 to the power alpha greater than or equal to log beta square base 2, right? Okay. So 2 power alpha into 2 can I write? That means this is 2 power alpha plus 1 greater than or equal to beta square, right? So this is ultimate. Please understand. So that means this is 2 power alpha, can I write here, plus 1 is directly now greater than beta square. That's the meaning. Hmm? This one I have taken as some beta number. This one, huh? Okay. What is the definition of log? Log x to the base y is equal to say alpha. Then how to write? X is equal to what? Y. That means beta square equal to 2 power alpha. Correct? No. So this is 2 power alpha, not 2 power alpha plus. This is 2 power alpha. Please say yes or no. I hope I have a definition, right? Yes or no. So beta square is greater than 2 power alpha means how I can solve this one, right? This should not be complex number, right? This is what? Mod of this one square. If it is complex number, then no one can solve. Because that is real number, this is complex number not. So beta mod square, right? Okay, what is this mod square first of all? 5 root 7 whole square. 25 into 7. 175. 175 plus 9 square. 81. How much total? 256. So this is greater than or equal to 256. Can I write, ma? Can I write this one as now greater than or equal to 2 to the power 8? Please say yes or no. Now this is actually 2 power alpha, na? 2 power alpha. So 2 power alpha greater than 2 power 8 means what? 2 power alpha by mod z plus 1 must be greater than or equal to 8, right? That means this is greater than or equal to 2 power 3. That means once again I can write it as mod z plus 3 into mod z minus 1 divided by modulus of mod z plus 1 greater than or equal to 3. Can I write? Solve this inequality over. How to solve this inequality? How to solve this inequality? Can I take mod z is equal to, for the time being, x? Say yes or no. So if mod z is x, what is this? X plus 3 into x minus 1 divided by mod of x plus 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, right? So two cases will come. This is positive, this is negative. That means what I can write right here. Then x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then this inequality becomes what under this condition? X square plus 3 plus 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 3x minus 3 by x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, that implies x square minus x minus 6 by x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Factors x minus 3 into x plus 2 by x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So using Wavicon method, what are the critical points? Minus 2, minus 1, 3. After 3, positive, negative, positive, negative. I want this should be greater than 0. When? When x belongs to minus 2 to -1. -2 I can consider, -1 I cannot. Union 3 to 3 I can consider up to infinity. But what is extra? Mod z can be negative, huh? So what is the correct answer? Mod z belongs to what? That means what is the minimum value of mod z? No one answer. Largest value they ask you to. So in this case not coming. So we take another case. Are you understanding? In this case, this is the answer. Take another case. What is another case? X plus 1.
Least value.
Hmm?
Least value.
Then the least value only they asked, huh? Then over answer. Don't worry. Over. Yes. If you don't get answer here, then take another case. Right. Right now. Copy. Very good problem. So it is the game of exponentials. Online, anyone has doubt here?
Sir, eighth one, sir.
No, this in this question, ma'am. Any doubt?
No, sir, no.
Okay, very good. So when you have this much of big expressions, you please try to write like this, so that you can have some idea. What Saifuddin? Sir, this idea difficult, no? Easy, no? Very nice, right? What, huh? What do you say? These two people are sitting together and doing all kind of nonsense. Feeling like you are next to IAS officers. Okay. Next one. What is next one, na? 8 or 9? 8.
8, sir.
Okay. Okay. F of n comma theta. This one copied? Next 8th problem, be ready. Never ask any questions, huh? Never listen class properly. Who and you? Simply coming for time pass, right? Eighth problem, I'm writing here. If f of n comma theta is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n, r is equal to 0 to n, cos of r theta divided by 2 power r, cos of r theta divided by 2 power r, then the value of limit n tends to infinity f of n comma pi by 3. Limit n tends to infinity f of n comma pi by 3 equal to how much? That's it. So very good looking problem, right? So can we expand sigma first? Or is sigma right? Put r equal to 0. Cos 0, 1 by 2 power 0, 1. Put r equal to 0 here. Cos 0, 1. 2 power 0, 1. 1 by 1, 1. Plus. Put r equal to 1 there. Cos theta by 2. Next, put r equal to 2. Cos 2 theta by 2 square. Okay. Next, cos 3 theta by 2 cube plus cos 4 theta by 2 power 4 and so on. Cos n theta by 2 power n. This sum I have to find it. How to find this sum? Denominators are in GP. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Okay. But these are not APs now. No, these are not APs. These are cost terms. So how to handle them? How to handle them?
Angles are an AP, sir.
Angles are in AP. Angles are in AP. But if only angles are in AP, we know the technique. But if angles are in AP and as well as terms are also coming in GP, so you have to think something extra. How to think? So we are clueless. Let us take a guess. So we know GP is 1 by 2. Right? I'll multiply GP. So 1 by 2 into S is equal to first term. Don't need to disturb. This one can I write here? Right? 1 by 2 plus next term here cos theta by 2 square. Next this term cos 2 theta by 2 cube. Right? Okay. Plus and so on. This term comes here. How much? Cos n theta by. Very good. So what else? What I can expect here? Cos of n minus 1 theta by 2 power. So normal general technique I applied. Okay. Now let us subtract them. Let us subtract them. 1 minus 1 by 2s. 1 by 2s is equal to 1 minus 0. 1 plus from these two things, if I take 1 by 2 common, I'll get cos theta minus 1. Right? Okay, from these two, don't copy, wait. I have some doubts here. So 1 by 2 square, if I take common, how much? Cos 2 theta minus cos theta. Any calculations? Can we get any cancellation?
Sir,
Yes?
can we apply the limits, sir?
No,
That f of
directly.
n comma pi by 3.
No. Theta is pi by 3. Finally, we have to keep theta pi by 3. But first of all, I need to see what is this function. Once we
So we
get
can
function.
apply theta alone as pi by 3 now, sir. Then we may get some idea.
No. What is the use there? Cos 2 pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3. Yeah? And what about here? What is cos infinity pi by 3? No idea, no? So there is no, that is of no use. See, what I'm thinking is, after doing something like this, whether we can able to get telescopic series or not. So if I get telescopic series, then I can cancel the terms. So here cos theta by 2 came, but here minus cos theta by 2 square came. If here also cos theta by 2 comes now with negative sign, then it gone. One by 2 cube, if I take common, this is cos 3 theta minus cos 2 theta. See what is happening? Cos 2 theta by 2 square plus is there. But here the minus cos 2 theta by 2 cube is there. But if that is 2 cube or this is t square, then I can get things get cancelled or not. So like that I am thinking. And any idea, Rangeenu? This one failed. Any other thought? Hey, online, anyone please give any idea? Good question. Some basic thought is missing. So here it failed. But whatever I am thinking of, that must be true. Telescopic series I want. How to create telescopic series? Someone is speaking? Anyone?
Sir, can you write it as e power I theta, sir?
Cos r theta, na? What is e power I r theta? Cos r theta plus I sin r theta. What is e power minus I r theta? Cos r theta minus I sin. Okay. Adding these two, e power I r theta plus e power minus I r theta by 2 is equal to cos r theta. Na? So what is the benefit? Divide by 2 power r. So 2 power r plus 1 is the given term. Again, if I expand, put r equal to 0. What is the answer? Sir? Put r 0. 1 by 2. Put r equal to 1. E power I theta by 2 square. Right? One more. E power I 2 theta by 2 cube. No use, no. First term will be r equal to 0. E power I 0 1 by 2 power 1 2.
minus r and 1 plus 1 by
1 plus 1 by
This one, huh?
cos r theta
e power I r theta.
1 plus 1
1 plus
by 2.
Right side.
This term, huh?
Plus 0.
Y plus 1.
R is 0.
If r is 0, these two are not equal. Huh? Hey, these two are, who said these two are equal? Huh? This is the question.
R is 0, it is 2 by 2.
No. I am writing only for this part. Sorry, I understand. I am writing this by this only. Plus, I will write other. Plus and so on plus e power I n theta by 2 power n plus 1. Plus this one starting. Put r equal to 0. Same, huh? 1 by 2. Next here e power minus I theta by 2 square plus and so on plus e power minus I n theta by 2 power n plus 1. Any use? Where from where? Here.
Multiple of e power I theta.
E power I theta whole square.
Multiple of e power I theta.
This is GPR. From numerator, can I take 1 by 2 common? Sorry. From this first term, can I take 1 by 2 common? Take 1 by 2 common. Answer 1 plus e power I theta by 2 plus e power I 2 theta by 2 square. GP now? Okay. Plus and so on plus e power I n theta by 2 to the power n. Similarly, you take 1 by 2 common here also. 1 plus e power minus I theta by 2 plus and so on plus e power minus I n theta by 2 power n. Is this GP now? Is this pure GP or not? This is a QGP with A is equal to 1, R is equal to e power I theta by 2. Number of terms. I have started with e power 0 up to n. That means n plus 1. So n number of terms equal to n plus 1. Here A is equal to 1, R is equal to e power minus I theta by 2, n is equal to. That's it. Good. Next, half into A, no need, R power e power I theta by 2, A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. That is first. Plus, next one, half e power minus I theta by 2 whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by e power minus I theta by 2. Then now you put theta equal to pi by 3 and you can find the answer. Okay? Excellent. Super question. The beginning. Wonderful. Copy. Don't copy this first part. Only this much. Copy. You know this denominator, if I put theta equal to pi by 3, e power I pi by 3. What is e power I pi by 3? Or 60 plus I sin 60. That means 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 just simplify. There also you simplify. Okay? It's purely in terms of n only. Apply limit. Now denominator is not a problem. Numerator also not a problem. Got you that? You did this problem? No? Who asked me this question now? Fantastic. What is the name?
Sai Nitin, sir.
Sai Nitin. He always shows good questions. Right. So understood now, Sai Nitin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, please copy and get ready for next.
Understand.
So from here, you can do it now. What is this? Just replacing theta with pi by 3 and e power I pi by 3 is 1 plus root 3 by 2, substitute there. Next. 31. Okay. Next.
But n will be infinity now, sir.
That limit, limit no issue.
Okay.
Limit not an issue, ma. In limit chapter, we have learned all the techniques. 1 power infinity may come or infinity by infinity may come. Whatever it is, according to that, you take action. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Next, 31. Another good question. See, 31. The value of 1 plus sine 2 pi by 9 plus I cos 2 pi by 9 divided by 1 plus sine 2 pi by 9 minus I cos 2 pi by 9 whole power 3 equal to how much? Whole cube is equal to how much? That's it. How I can write 1 plus sine 2 pi by 9? What is 1 plus sine 2 theta in general?
Cos theta.
Cos theta plus sine theta whole square. So can I write this one as cos? What is theta? 2 theta is 2 pi by 9. Theta is pi by 9. So cos pi by 9 plus sine pi by 9 whole square. Plus I into basic cos 2 theta formula. What is cos 2 theta? Cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Can I write? Okay. So cos theta is cos pi by 9 plus sine pi by 9 into cos pi by 9 minus sine pi by 9. Done. So that is numerator. Denominator same. Cos pi by 9 plus sine pi by 9 whole square minus I into cos pi by 9 plus sine pi by 9 into cos pi by 9 minus sine pi by 9 whole cube. That's it. Now how to simplify it? From numerator and denominator, I can cancel one term, right? What is that? Cos pi by 9 plus sin pi by 9. Cos pi by 9 cos pi plus sin pi by 9. So this plus only this much left. So what is my next step? Divide by. It will work. It will work if I divide with cos pi by 9. Okay, so divide every term with cos pi by 9. 1 plus tan pi by 9 plus I into 1 minus tan pi by 9 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 9 minus I into 1 minus tan pi by 9 for this whole cube, right? Somewhat simplified. Next, what is my next step? You know 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta? What is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta?
Tan pi by 4 minus theta.
Excellent. Tan pi by 4 minus theta. So I want to create this term here. So what should I do? Divide every term with 1 plus tan pi by 9. Okay, so this becomes 1 plus I into, directly can I put the formula? How much, right? Tan 45 minus pi by 9 means how much? 180 by 9. That means 25 degrees, can I write? So 1 plus I tan 25 by 20. Pi by 9 how much, right? 45 minus 20. 1 plus I tan 25 by 1 minus I tan 25 for this whole cube. Are anyone has difficulty in this step? Okay, very good. Now I will write tan as sin by cos. So here it becomes cos 25 plus I sin 25 divided by cos 25 minus I sine 25 whole cube. So what is numerator? E power I 25. Denominator e power minus I 25 whole cube. That means what is combined term? E power I 50? E power I 50 whole cube, right? That means e power I 150 means cos 150. Final answer over. Cos 150 plus I sine 150. So cos 150. Cos 180 minus 30. That means minus root 3 by 2. Sine 150. That's the answer. Minus root 3 plus I by 2. Which one? Fourth option. Right. Easy, na? Okay. Easy round. Next one. 45 minutes again. Next 45. You want to? You have a doubt? Next. Okay. Please copy this one fast. What solution? So, but many people not saying one. I have favors for all the students. So the responses to questions is directly. No one untouched. Done? Can I go to the next one? 45. All of you look at this problem. 45. Let capital A is equal to a set where elements are complex numbers such that modulus of z plus 1 by z minus 1 always less than 1 and set B is also a complex numbers. How these are? Argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Then find A intersection B. That's it. These two are the sets. So I can find their intersection or not? Yes. So they are asking that intersection. So options are very weird. First, we will see how to decode it. So I'm taking first one, the modulus of z plus 1 by z minus 1 less than 1. So can I cross multiply? Why? Why I can cross multiply? How I can cross multiply? Can I write like this or not? On what basis?
Sir, because it is not a negative number.
Super, it is positive denominator, happily. So if this is true, the square is also true. On what basis I am squaring again? Positive. Yes or no? Okay. Now what is z plus? Can I take now z is equal to x plus iy? So keep here, ma. X plus 1 plus iy mod square less than x plus iy minus 1 mod square. Answer please. X plus 1 whole square plus y square less than x minus 1 whole square plus y square. So y square cancelled. Once again expand this. X square plus 2x plus 1 less than x square minus 2x plus 1. So x square plus 1 gone. So 4x less than 0 means x is. So the meaning of set A is all the complex numbers, any complex number, I am okay. Such that x should be negative. Clear? Right. Next, set beta. Argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to 2 pi by 3. So once again, I am taking argument of here z minus 1 into z plus 1 by not wait. Z you replace. What is that? X plus? So x minus 1 plus iy by x plus 1 plus iy into x plus 1 minus iy by x plus 1 minus iy is equal to 2 pi by 3. Anyone has doubts? Okay. Now argument of what is denominator first? X plus 1 whole square plus, that means it is pure real number only, no? Okay, no trouble. Now multiply these two. How these two are looking? Z and this one is Z bar. That means mod Z square. And I won't come, huh? Here I did some mistake. What is this one? These two are not same. This is x minus 1, this is x plus 1. So we have to multiply. Okay, multiply these two. X minus 1 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into iy plus iy into x plus 1 minus I square becomes minus. So can I write directly plus y square? Right, is equal to 2 pi by 3. Now clearly it is a complex number, numerator. And what is the meaning of argument of a complex number? Tan theta. What is the tan theta? Y by x. That means here this fellow won't contribute anything. So what is y? Imaginary part by real part is equal to this much angle. So what I can write, therefore tan 2 pi by 3 is equal to imaginary part y into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into y by real part x square minus 1 plus y square. Please understand this. What is tan 2 pi by 3? Tan 120, tan 180 minus 60 minus root 3. Okay. Numerator xy plus y minus xy plus y by x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to, excellent. So these two gone. So therefore, final answer please. X square plus, I am writing this one first, into minus root 3 is equal to 2 error. Locus x square plus y square into root 3 minus 2y plus root 3 is equal to 0. I don't want this to see this root 3. So I'll divide once again. X square plus y square minus 2 by root 3 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Over answer. So this is definitely a circle. So the options I read, you only say. A portion of circle centered at 0, minus 1 by root 3 that lies in the second and third quadrants only. Okay, now tell me. Correct? What is the center of the circle? 0 comma minus 1 by root 3, and the intersection, definitely this is what x less than 0, where x is negative. Right? X is negative, second and third one. So here what they said, no answer. Here, see these are locus problems, excellent problem again, super. Who asked this? A portion of circle of radius 2 by that lies in the third quadrant. Radius how much? Calculate radius. What is the radius? The square root of g square plus f square minus c. 1 by 3 minus 1 right? What is this? The radius? Negative. 2 by root 3 how it will? G square plus f square minus c. 1 plus 3, 2 by root 3. Radius, this is 2 by root 3, radius. A portion of circle of radius 2 by root 3 that lies in the third quadrant only. What is the problem for second quadrant?
Second option.
Okay. Only second one. What is the problem in third quadrant? X is negative, that is for sure. So x is negative means it can lie here or here. No issue. Any other condition given? Check. Hey, no, second and third. No issue. X is always negative, no? So x is negative here and here. If I draw the circle, will it come in second and third quadrants? That we check. If I draw the circle, whether that circle is coming in the second quadrant or not, let us check. Okay. What is the center? 0 comma minus 1 by radius 2 by root 3. So where is 0 comma minus 1 by root 3? Here 0 comma minus 1 by root 3. From here you travel 2 by root 3 distance. If I travel 2 by root 3 distance, where I will go? From this you add 2 by root 3. If I go here, this is 2 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. This one 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 2 minus 1 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Next here. Here. How much distance I can go? 0 comma?
1 by 2.
Sure? Distance is now 2 by root 3. Very good. 0 comma 1 by root 3. And similarly here 0 comma minus 3 by root 3. 0 comma minus 3 by root 3. So this is the circle. So if this is the circle, definitely it is coming in second and third quadrants or not. X negative. Second and third quadrants. Visible. Okay. Right. If circle is not going into second quadrant, then there is a problem. Circle is going now. Right.
They have fitted options. Second, third, second only. Second and third only. Yes, X negative is second and third only. No. Intersection.
Right pass. Arey, 2 by root 3 circle radius, okay. But they said it is lying only in the third quadrant. Wrong. It is lying in second and third. Circle lying in all the quadrants. This is the circle, no? Here any problem? If you get only half circle, then either third or fourth. But fourth no way, because this fellow is saying it is positive, negative. That time you have to give three option. If this half circle comes, first and second, x negative means second only the option. If circle is occupying all 4 quadrants, then you can give second and third. You understand how to break the options? Over. So one more question, Ra. 4-0. Immediate next question. Right, this is circle already I said, no? Just replace z with x plus iy, you will get everything. 61. That question missing. You try now. This is let put z is equal to x plus iy. Substitute back. You get answer 0. Minimum value of v mod z square. All these three, again this one also you can just mod x square plus mod y square plus mod z square. Where minimum value occurs? Mod x square plus mod y square plus mod z square. Where minimum value occurs? Huh? Everything must be 0. That's the only chance. Yes or no? That means here mod z minus 3, z minus 6i. All must be equal to what? But all are zeros. Is this answer same? Correct? Let me write one last question. This one copy now? Right. Next is 61. Minimum value of V naught. Minimum value of V naught is V. Of V is equal to minimum value of V naught of V is equal to mod z square plus mod z minus 3 whole square plus mod z minus 6i whole square, where z belongs to complex number, is attained at z is equal to z naught. Is attained at z is equal to z naught. Then find 2z naught square minus z naught bar cube plus 3 whole square, this mod square, plus V naught square. That's it. So minimum value attained for this one at what? At what? At z is equal to z naught. This is at and how much? This is how much? V naught. You know, in quadratic, where minimum occurs and how much it is? Where minimum occurs in quadratic? Minus b by 2a. How much, sir? 4ac minus b square by 4a. Correct or not? In the same way, for this expression, minimum value occurs at z naught. How much, sir? Just put that z naught value here, you will get v naught. Are you understanding? Okay. Now, how I can write this one? V is equal to. Can I take z is equal to x plus iy again? What is mod z square? X square plus y square. What is z minus 3? X minus 3 whole square plus. Very good. What is z minus 6i? X square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is V. If I further expand this, what is this V? X square, X square, X square. 3x square. Y square, Y square, Y square. 3y square. X terms. Here minus 6x. Y terms minus 12y. Constants 9 plus 36. Take 3 common everywhere. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 9. 315, huh? That is not work. 15, huh? I want, where the minimum value occurs for this? Huh? Where the minimum value occurs for this? At which x comma y minimum occurs? X and y 0, answer is 15. If I put x and y 0, answer is 15. Only 15 is my answer, or can I get less than 15? Where I get minimum? 1, 2. What is the guarantee 1, 2, y? First of all, what is this circle? This is a circle with center 1, 2. Radius? Not possible. So it is not real circle. It is imaginary circle. Okay. So it is imaginary circle. For imaginary circle, whatever it is. I want this expression to be minimum. So for what value of x and y it is minimum. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll make perfect squares. So can I write x minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x? So plus 1 minus 1. Y square minus 4y. Y minus 2 whole square. Plus 4 minus 4. Plus 15, right? So that is 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square 15 minus 5. That is, this is the minimum. No one can do anything to this. So I'll get a minimum only at 1. How is that 1, 2? So this is the only chance, right? This is positive, this is positive. I'll get a minimum when both are zeros only. Say this much you thought, right? So x is equal to 1, y equal to 2. So x is equal to 1, y equal to 2. What is the minimum value? V naught. V naught is the minimum value of this, right? So this minimum value, right? 30, right? Okay, 30. Next, at which point must z is equal to what? Z naught. Z naught means x plus. What x plus? 1 plus 2y. That's all. This is z naught. Let's keep here. What is z naught square? Z naught square. 1 minus 4 plus 4i. That is minus 3 plus 4i. Next, z naught bar. What is z naught bar? 1 minus 2i. Now z naught bar cube. 1 minus 2i whole cube. And add 1 minus 2i into 1 minus 2i whole square. So which is 1 minus 2i into 1 minus 2i whole square. 1 minus 4 minus 4i. So 1 minus 2i into 1 minus 2i into minus 3 minus 4i. Answer minus 3 minus 4i plus 6i plus with minus 8. Okay. So minus 3 minus 8 minus 11 minus 4i plus 6i plus 2i. So let's keep it back. What is 2z naught square? 2z naught square minus 6 plus 8i. 2 z naught square, correct or not? Next, minus z naught cube, plus 11, minus 2i, finally plus 3 plus 3 for this mod. This is the thing they are asking. For this mod square, for this mod square plus v naught square. What is v naught square there? 900. Right. 11 minus 6. 5 plus 3. 8. 8 minus 2. Plus 6i whole square plus. So what is 8 plus 6i mod? 10. 10 square is 100. 100 plus 900. 1000 is the answer. What a number. Okay. Good problem. For making, if you get such kind of several mods, you always think like this. Right. What is the logic behind this? I don't know how you said this.
Sir, I kept everything separately and it's
Means how? What is your technique?
you took everything 3x square together, sir. I kept x equation separately, y separately.
Same, no. Huh? No, I am thinking, any other thought?
No, sir.
Copy fast. That's it, online students. You can try few more questions, no? So I can give one more question, no? For complex numbers doubts. Right?
Sir, tomorrow also class is there.
Nothing is fixed now because chemistry sir is having some extra classes. So if he is not available, then I have to take. Okay, so get ready for the link. Okay, I cannot commit anything. Okay, right?
Mostly it will be at 7:10 only, no, sir.
Tomorrow, no? Tomorrow I have 5:30, right? Tomorrow there is no chemistry class, so definitely this is fixed for me. 5:30 fixed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. You can leave them.